Hello everyone. Today I got a talking clock kit from robo.in. So we will see what we got inside and we will build it. So you can see here are the some parts. This is the transparent acrylic case. Inside this you can see a microcontroller and a RTC IC with its IC base. Inside this we can find a speaker, as it's talking clock, so it will need a speaker. It comes with small wires for attaching it to the PCB. And next we can see we got PCB itself. The PCB is of really high quality and you can see the measurements. It's around 100 mm and 36.5 mm. So the clock size is really small. You can see 7 segment display. I will show you the size of the display too. You can see its size. So the clock is going to be really small and compact, but with plenty of features. This is some SMD IC placed on a PCB, and here are some discrete components which we need to install on the PCB manually. And here you can see a filter which we will apply on the display, and this is the supply lead. So this is the manual, so you can refer this manual and build it.
I know, but I can never match your name or face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I'd hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
Clock is fully assembled, so now we will test it. So here is the supply lead. We will use 5 volt only, not more than that. So first of all you have to do a manual reset. You can refer the manual given along with. I will attach a PDF link in the description. You can find more details about it. So after reset you can see it's showing 12 o'clock and there are only 3 buttons. The button on the top is for reading the time. It will read the time with a voice. And on the side there are two buttons. The upper button is function button and the bottom button is plus button, which will increment any value we want. So you can see this is how it's working. You can actually set alarm in it, you can set chime, you can view temperature. It displays a date and of course time. So it's a really good clock. Also we can calibrate temperature sensor, and there are three modes. In first mode it will circle in like it will show time, then it will show temperature, it will show date, day, and it will go around in like that after a few seconds. And in second mode it will only show time and temperature, and in third mode it will only show time. So you can choose the mode you want. Also this clock comes in 12 and 24-hour mode, so you can select the mode as per your wish. So you can see these are the settings I am showing you, but for better understanding you can read the manual which I have attached in the description. Also it has LDR, so when there is no light the display will go dim automatically. So it's good for your eyes and good when you are sleeping. If there was no LDR, the display would light up really bright in the night time and it would disturb your sleep. So it's a really good thing. I will show you how LDR works in further video, so keep watching till end.
PM 11:44. PM 11:44.
If you are still watching, I hope you loved this video. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this DIY kit lock. So I will see you in the future video. Till then, bye bye.